looking for a job online is like finding a needle in the ocean. And in this case, the ocean is the internet. Searching a job online can be overwhelming with hundreds of job boards, endless scrolling, and countless profiles. It is tough to know where to start, but don't worry, we have got you covered. Today, we are breaking down the 5 best websites to find a job in the United States. Whether you are hunting for your first gig, a career pivot, or just exploring options, there is a place for everyone. Stick around because by the end of this video you will know exactly where to look and why. As a career expert, Richard Nelson once said, the best way to predict your future is to create it. So let's create. Let's start with the powerhouse of jobs, that is LinkedIn. Think of a LinkedIn as a giant networking party where everyone's got a name tag and business card. But here you don't need to shake hands, just hit connect. With LinkedIn, you are not just job hunting, you are networking. Under the job tab, you can search for the positions, you can filter by location, the company, and even you can look for the jobs with the label easy apply, and it takes only few clicks. That's a lifesaver for anyone who hates lengthy applications. LinkedIn even has this nifty jobs you might be interested in, a feature which learns from your activity to suggest roles that aligns with your skills. It's like having a job coach who really knows what you are into. And here is a pro tip, don't just hit apply. Connect with the recruiter or hiring manager. LinkedIn makes that super easy. It's like getting a sneak peek through the back door. So if networking is your thing, LinkedIn is your go-to. Next up, we have Indeed, the one-stop shop for just about any type of a job that you can think of. And I'm talking retail, tech, remote gigs, you name it, and they have got it. Indeed has one of the most straightforward job search features out there. You type what you're looking for and add your location, and boom, there's your list. It's simple as searching for a new recipe. Something unique about Indeed is their company reviews section. Before you apply, you can actually check reviews from real employees. Think of it like Yelp of workplaces, so you know exactly what you are getting into. If you're looking for a platform with massive listings and easy to navigate interface, Indeed is worth a look. Have you ever wished that you knew about the companies before applying there for a job? The Glassdoor exactly does that. It's like peeking into the companies before you even apply there. Glassdoor goes deep onto salary, benefits, and the company's culture. No guesswork here. You will find employees' reviews, salary reports, and insights on the interviews and experiences. If you're looking for the transparency, Glassdoor is the site that doesn't hold back. You will get accurate salary ranges here, which can really come in handy during salary negotiations. So if you're looking for a role that's more than just a paycheck, Glassdoor helps you find the right cultural fit. Next up, we have USAJOBS. If you are interested in the government work, this is where you need to be. USAJOBS is like the ultimate directory for the federal jobs listing across the country. You can search for a job and filter it by locations and even by the department, appointment type, and even the security clearance, whether it is required or not. Federal jobs often come with the solid benefits and growth potential. And here is a quick tip. Government jobs can have long hiring processes, so don't hesitate to follow up after applying. So if you're searching for a career with stability, USAJOBS could be your golden ticket. So these were the top websites to find your next jobs in the United States. LinkedIn, Indeed, Glassdoor, and USAJOBS each have unique perks, but they all share one thing. They are here to make your job search journey easy. Remember, finding a job isn't just about landing a paycheck. It's about finding a place where you can grow and make difference. As somebody rightly said, choose a job you love and you will never have to work a day in your life. So get out there, find what you love, and make it happen.